Hello, this is Linda Bernardi, and I'm delighted to have the conversation about my book, Provoke, with you regarding the ecosystem of disruption. Previously, we've talked about the culture of disruption, the culture of innovation, the necessary components in order to innovate. I'd like to talk to you now about the ecosystem of disruption. Half of Provoke, the book, is written around each of the components, and I'd like to now take you through component at a time and build out the ecosystem of disruption. The central premise of the ecosystem of disruption is the culture of disruption. And the culture of disruption has a number of key elements that impact it. Provoke, the book, goes through each constituent one at a time and discusses the impact and the interrelationship of these components with each other. The constituents include the leadership of a company, whether it's a small, medium, or large company, how that impacts, increases, prohibits, decreases innovation, the board of directors, the interrelationship between the leadership and the board, the investors, the role that the investors play in the culture of disruption, the role of the entrepreneur, the role of academia, the role of the employees. Employees are perhaps the most influential component of the culture of disruption. They are by far the largest constituent that has the power to influence disruption and innovation within a company. Also, there's a key importance of building a culture of innovation, rewarding a culture of innovation, as well as inspiring the employees. I talk about the 3I principles of inspiring, impacting innovation and how that relates to employees. And employees and entrepreneurs have a huge, huge impact on innovation, especially if you look at it from a global perspective, and the importance of including employees and their input in the future disruption innovation of a company. And the role of impact of the market, which today's market has a huge impact on innovation and disruption in a company. In fact, the market today can demand and cause disruption and innovation in a company in a way we've never seen before. All of these components, as exhibited here in the yellow circle, interrelate one another. Academia interrelates with big companies, entrepreneurs interrelate with investors, boards interrelate with investors and entrepreneurs. So all of these are interconnected. And the gray ring around discusses the importance of the collaborative nature of innovation today and the global nature of innovation today. So innovation and disruption today are happening globally, and they're happening collaboratively across all these constituents. Provoke talks about some key principles, one which I call the 5 key principle, that is the cause of many of the mistakes that are today made in innovation and disruption, as well as the importance of the 3I initiative, the importance of inspiration, impact, and innovation in the culture of disruption. All of these components come together. They have a common global denominator, which is the importance of innovation and disruption globally, going from disruption to innovation, innovation having a key impact, and then on to excellence. Also, this is an iterative process, so the goal is that companies are going to continue innovating and learning from those disruptions and improving and adding more products to the market. That's essentially the ecosystem of disruption that Provoke discusses.